All right, thank you very much, Tammy. Good morning, Mike Eplis.
Good morning.
CityNews Business Center. How are you?
Doing well, thank you, Roger. How are you?
I'm doing well, and there's a dark horse that's doing well, but the market's not doing well.
No,
It's a mix of
not.
well.
You know what? This week has just been every 5 minutes a headline about trade relations between the U.S. and China. They've got these talks going on supposedly today in Washington. The U.S. Trump's been talking about tomorrow raising tariffs on China. So everybody's kind of going, are they going to get a deal? And then Trump sends out a tweet that says China broke the deal that was in place. So you got heated rhetoric, heightened headline alertness, certainly, and the markets do what they do. They go, okay, I don't want any part of this until we get some resolution. And the markets right now are down sharply, subject to change, of course, through the day. We'll see where it goes.
That seems to be the norm, heated rhetoric.
Pretty much. It's kind of, you're right. It used to not certainly happen anywhere near as much as it does today.
Yeah, whatever happened to diplomacy?
I don't know.
All right.
That's a thing in the past.
Workhorse. Don't
Yes.
you wish you'd bought that on Tuesday?
Yeah, well, sure, but no one had heard of it before then until a Trump tweet yesterday.
Of course.
Because he said, this company called Workhorse is buying the Lordstown, Ohio plant from General Motors, which has been sitting idle. It's not a done deal, but it's enough to send Workhorse to be the most actively traded stock on Wall Street, and it's gone up something like 400% in 24 hours. It was a penny stock, now it's around $5. So, this is the power of Twitter. When you really think about it, and the persuasive influence that it has, that all of a sudden little-known companies become a thing if, in fact, they can get a deal done. This is all in the wake, of course, of General Motors' announcement regarding Oshawa yesterday, $170 million going into that plant to save 300 jobs, and building for the future, hopefully again, on the parts supply basis. But they're also putting some money into Ohio as well.
And the interesting thing, do you hold on to, if you bought them at a penny stock, do you hold on to it, do you sell them today and just walk away?
That's the big thing. It's quadrupled in value. Do you take your money and go home? Sometimes that might be the best strategy.
They say the stock market's like a casino, right?
It can be very much like that, although you try not to think of it that way.
But we do occasionally.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly the case.
What else you got?
We're watching Lyft because it's been down ever since it debuted a few weeks back. Ride-hailing companies' share price down 25% since then. And, of course, tomorrow, Uber. That's going to be the big one on Wall Street. It will debut as a publicly traded stock, and they will set the price later today.
All right, beautiful. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
Have yourself a great day, sir.
You too.